Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both systems. Plug Xbox and the host PC into wired Ethernet. This reduces lag and packet loss immediately. On the Windows host, enable Remote Desktop or install Chrome Remote Desktop and create a persistent access account. This is the gateway. Once done, attach a USB keyboard and mouse to the Xbox and pair your controller for quick input. Make sure the host PC is set to never sleep and has a static local IP or reserved DHCP lease, so connections stay reliable. Once ready, open Edge on the Xbox and navigate to the Remote Desktop web client or sign into Chrome Remote Desktop. This turns the console into a thin client. Enter your host credentials, then choose a sensible display profile, 1280 x 720 for constrained networks, 1920 x 1080 for gigabit Ethernet, because higher resolution increases latency. On the host, enable hardware encoding and prioritize low latency settings in the GPU control panel. Finally, set the Xbox display mode to 6. Finish by pinning the Remote Access tab to your Xbox Home for instant launching, and store credentials in a secure manager so you can reconnect fast. Route audio from the host to the Xbox. Confirm microphone and headset pass-through for voice apps. If you encounter choppy video, one key troubleshooting step. Force both devices to wired Ethernet, lower the remote resolution, or raise the host encoder bitrate. This directly improves frame pacing and input responsiveness. Finally, reboot both devices after configuration changes to ensure stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.